Faster, reliable mechanic here. Let's get this AC recharged on this 2010 Acura MDX. You'll need a vacuum pump, some AC gauges, some UV dye, UV light, and that's pretty much it. Let's get to it. Your gauges, you have your low side, which is the blue. The low side is always thinner than the high side. So that's how you know they only fit in one way. Connect your low side. Connect your high side. And screw them in to open it. After that's done, check it out. Make sure to have your AC system evacuated by a professional mechanic so they can recycle the refrigerant. This refrigerant is really bad for the ecosystem. Vacuum, in order to make sure everything is released from the system. You have your vacuum tube right here, connected to the vacuum, and you let it run for 45 minutes. Make sure your valves are open. As you can see, it's already vacuuming. See all the smoke. Let's get to it. Boom. After about 35 minutes, your gauge should be at -30, and here it should be below 0. Now you want to close off the gauge. Then you can shut off your vacuum pump. Make sure to keep these gauges open and let it sit for about 45 minutes and take a picture of it. Make sure there's no leaks. You don't want this to go down at all, and you don't want this moving at all. You want it staying exactly where it is. I'll show you. This is the refrigerant we'll be using for this 2018 Acura MDX. Usually you can find your AC specifications right here in the front. For this car, it was right here. And it also tells you the oil type and the amount you should put in there. For these self-sealing cans, you'll need an adapter that looks like this. When that's done, we're gonna go inside the car, turn on the AC all the way, and turn on the car. Let's get that. According to the label, this car takes about 22 ounces of Freon. I've already put 12, which is 1 can. Now I like to put the other can on a scale and watch until it's 10 ounces down. Try this on your car and let me know how it goes. Faster, reliable mechanic, helping you out.